Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into a true American icon that's back for 2026, a bigger, bolder, and more capable than ever, the Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. Whether you're hauling heavy loads, heading off-road, or just want a powerful daily driver, the new Silverado delivers in every category. Let's walk through every detail that makes this truck a serious contender in the full-size segment. Body panels. The 2026 Silverado sports an even more muscular stance than before. The body panels are stamped from high-strength steel with aluminum accents to balance durability and weight. Chevrolet has enhanced the panel design for better aerodynamics without sacrificing that rugged, aggressive look. The squared-off wheel arches, flared fenders, and sculpted door lines don't just look tough, they're engineered for off-road debris deflection and reduced drag at highway speeds. Headlights. The headlights are all new for 2026, featuring slimline LED projector beams paired with adaptive matrix technology. These lights automatically adjust for oncoming traffic, improve corner visibility, and include built-in fog lights for those rough weather conditions. Daytime running lights have been redesigned into a C-shaped signature that's instantly recognizable on the road. Taillights. At the rear, the LED taillights are equally refined. They feature segmented lighting elements for enhanced visibility and a modern, tech-forward design. Sequential turn signals and brake light animations make the truck more communicative and eye-catching, especially when trailering or driving at night. Grille. Chevrolet redesigned the grille for both style and function. It's larger, bolder, and more performance-focused. Active grille shutters improve aerodynamics at cruising speeds while optimizing cooling when towing. The new Chevrolet block lettering across the grille is a nod to heritage, while integrated lighting elements give it a futuristic edge. Seats. Inside the 2026 Silverado, comfort meets rugged utility. Seats are trimmed in premium materials, including available leather with perforated inserts and contrast stitching. Front seats offer heating, ventilation, and power adjustments, while rear seats and crew cab trims have added legroom and underseat storage for added practicality. The seats strike the perfect balance between comfort for long drives and durability for work conditions. Dashboard. The dashboard has been redesigned for a cleaner, more modern look. A horizontal layout improves visibility, and soft-touch materials throughout give the interior a more upscale vibe. Premium trims feature wood or brushed aluminum accents. The controls are logically placed and easy to use, even with gloves, a must for truck users. Infotainment system. The Silverado's new 13.4-inch touchscreen runs on Chevy's latest infotainment software, powered by Google built-in. Navigation, Spotify, weather updates, and even smart home integration are all included. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's a heads-up display available in higher trims. Voice recognition has also been vastly improved, allowing for natural commands and hands-free control while driving. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is now multifunctional, with tactile buttons for audio, cruise control, towing features, and driver assistance tech. Heated steering comes standard on most trims, and in higher-spec versions, the wheel is leather-wrapped with contrast stitching and a flat-bottom design for a sporty feel. Engine. For 2026, Silverado comes with multiple engine options, including a revised 6.2-liter V8 with dynamic fuel management, delivering around 430 horsepower and 460 pounds-feet of torque. It's tuned for better low-end power and smoother towing capability. There's also a turbocharged 2.7-liter engine option and a 5.3-liter V8, each designed to cater to different performance and fuel efficiency needs. Towing capacity is expected to top 13,000 pounds, depending on configuration. Hybrid option. A major highlight for 2026 is the introduction of a hybrid Silverado. Using a 3.0-liter inline-six paired with an electric motor, this setup delivers around 400 horsepower combined while achieving significant fuel savings. The hybrid system also includes regenerative braking and can run short distances on electric power alone. It's a solid choice for fleet owners or environmentally conscious drivers who still need power. Airbags. Safety gets a boost this year with a total of 10 airbags, including dual front, side curtain, rear seat, and new center airbags to protect passengers in side impact scenarios. The truck's structure has been enhanced to improve crash safety ratings across the board. Parking assist. Parking a full-size pickup has never been easier. The Silverado features an advanced surround vision camera system, automated parallel and perpendicular parking assist, and trailer reverse guidance with multiple camera views. Sensors detect obstacles and guide you into tight spaces with visual and audio cues. Price. The 2026 Chevrolet Silverado starts at $39,000 for the base work truck trim and can climb past $75,000 for fully loaded High Country or ZR2 models with hybrid or off-road packages. Given the array of tech, power, and versatility packed into this truck, there's something for every buyer, from the everyday hauler to the weekend warrior. And that's a wrap on our detailed review of the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. With bolder styling, refined interiors, new tech, and more sustainable powertrains, this is a truck that doesn't just keep up with the times, it's leading the charge. Whether you're a loyal Chevy fan or exploring full-size trucks for the first time, the new Silverado deserves a serious look. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review. Let us know in the comments what's your favorite feature on the new Silverado. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe and stay curious.